Today, I, Senator Ovie Omo Agege, also share in that resounding no to that question. And we believe that the only man that can take Nigeria to the next level for Prof.Mgbeke expression is Prof.Mgbeke. Our task here in Delta State is very simple: to assist in making the election of Peter Obi as president possible. In 2023, here in Delta State, Peter Obi, without the support of Ovie Omo Agege, without the support of Victor, without the support of a lot of us seated here, and without agents, as we are told, in the various units, and despite the massive rigging, Peter Obi still won Delta State. 60%. So, our task is simple. Now, in addition to the obedient army, in addition to the Bonbasia army, in addition to the NTC army, you now have Omo Agege. Victor Oche, and you now have so many of us who are not coming into the fold. If Obi will win without us, how much more with us? We are determined here in Delta to ensure that we have more votes than we had in 2023. We are also determined to ensure that we shall follow this vote bumper to bumper. And ensure that these votes are protected. Yes,